Hey ya, it's Angeline here. How are ya? I'm back with another crafty video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to add some no mask glitter on some alcohol inks. So first I've already stamped and colored this Deck the Halls by Angie Blom. This couple is so cute. And I'm grabbing some alcohol inks here. You can grab any kinds that you have. And of course some alcohol blending solution. I'm grabbing some U-Pol paper here because they blend so well with the alcohol inks. I've tried some before on plain cardstock and the inks just didn't want to blend. So grab yourself some U-Pol paper and try them out if you're having trouble blending your alcohol inks. So I'm just mixing 3 colors here and just grabbing the solution to just blend everything in. And if you think that you don't have enough color, you can always go in and add some more. So I thought I needed help blending the inks better, so I'm just grabbing this Tim Holtz tool here that just blows out air and just spritzing everything around, just adding more solution to help everything just go the way I want it to go. And if you do not have this, you could always use a straw to help you blend the colors in better. So next I'm grabbing this Tim Holtz Frosted Flume, which is this glittery flume. I'm not sure whether it has been discontinued or not, but if you do not have this, you can always use vellum as well. This comes with an adhesive backing, so it's easy to just place it right on top of your alcohol inks. And to smoothen everything out, I'm using a bone folder here to just smoothen it out. So this is a great way to add some glitter without the mess on your cards if you do not have any glittery alcohol inks or you just wanted the extra sparkle on your card. So just trim off the edges and you're done. So here I wanted to show the close-up of the Frosted Flume. It is so pretty in real, and I'm not sure whether the camera is picking up how pretty the glitters are. And this just gives the right amount of sparkle on any holiday cards. So I've added the beautiful couple and also the sentiment onto my card, and here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and thanks for watching. Bye!